Hello, it's Mommy Plant again. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, today I'm cleaning my plants. So as you can see, I've used the water and that piece of cloth. So I'm just using a natural water. So I don't shower them, but I just put a cloth in the water and then cleaning it. So as you can see, the main important of cleaning the plants is to help it during the growth. So if you have plants at home, it's better you clean them so that to have the nice leaves, but also to help them in growth. Don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel, which goes by the name Mommy Plant. So for more content about plants, so always I post everything about plants. If I have new plants, if I have new correction, taking care of plants, doing anything about plants. So if you want to have more plants, what can you do? How to control pests? How to do ABCD? So this is how this is the only advantage you'll get when you subscribe to my channel. So don't forget to hit the button, but also you can just watch other videos for more and the important information about plants. So if you are a plant lover, here it's the only place you can fit.